What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. This one I want to talk about kind of a little bit of clarification because yesterday I put out a video talking about how Ripple was hacked, XRP was hacked, and all that stuff. And I was talking about this in a way to where things were stolen, not necessarily that there was a hole in security for Ripple or a hole in security for XRP. It made it sound a lot worse than what it actually was. And a couple of people reached out to me in the comment section. They were like, look, Ripple wasn't hacked. We have to make that clear because it's making it seem like it's not as secure. And it is secure. It's just the co-founder was the one that was hacked. And we're going to get into that. We're going to get into all the different details here to understand the entire situation. But really, this is just to clarify because I felt as though there needs to be something put out there so that if somebody watches the previous video, because I don't take down videos, but if someone watches the previous video, they now understand what happened and all the different detail to it. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. Those links will include my Patreon, will include my referral link for Margex, and Twitter, and many other things that you guys can check out if you're interested in it. I want to find a way to link it all together and give you like a link tree or something like that, so it'll make it way easier. Instead of having to go to any of these links, you can just click on one and see all the different pieces there, and highlight what I see is the best link to go to and what I suggest. So definitely check out the links that are down below in the time being. But let's talk about Ripple. All right, we have this article here talking about how Ripple was not hacked for $112 million or $112 million worth of XRP, but its co-founder was. So let's get into this detail. An on-chain detective has flagged odd XRP outflows worth roughly $112 million from addresses linked to Ripple Labs. Zach XBT, in a post on X Wednesday, said that Ripple seemed to have been hacked for 213 million XRP. However, Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen responded that in Ripple's accounts had been compromised, not Ripple itself. Larsen said there has been unauthorized access to a few of my personal XRP accounts. We were quickly able to catch the problem and notify exchanges to freeze the affected addresses. Law enforcement is already involved, he added. So yesterday, there was an unauthorized access to a few of my personal XRP accounts, not Ripple. We're quickly able to catch the problem and notify exchanges to freeze the affected addresses. Law enforcement is already involved. So this kind of clarifies a lot of things, that it was his personal accounts and that it had been stolen through or laundered through MEXC, Gate.io, Binance, Kraken, OKX, HTX, Hitbit or HitBTC, and more, I guess, etc. So the stolen funds Zach XBT found were laundered through crypto exchanges, including Gate.io and all the ones I just mentioned. It appears Ripple was hacked for $213 million, or 213 million XRP, $112 million, and they have the source. So far, stolen funds were laundered through those places. He highlighted roughly 8 addresses tied to the alleged theft. The timestamp for the transaction stand out. However, as they took place on Tuesday, ranging from early on in the day to late Tuesday night. Ripple Labs or Larsen had not publicly disclosed the attack until Zach XBT post on social media. The sheer number of transactions to exchanges in the short time span should tell you enough. Zach XBT said in a follow-up post, Ripple team is not going to use a small instant exchange like fix float in size. Following the post on X, XRP fell over 5%. It has since bounced back as of this publication. Now, it has dropped down. That was mainly because of the market. It wasn't just because of that, but you probably had some sort of impact to that overall. Now, what does this really mean? Does this mean that, you know, it's a big deal for everything? No, it doesn't really mean much there. When I look at the overall situation and I understand that it was from Chris Larson's personal accounts, it now clears up a ton where people thought, and I had a lot of people that were like, oh, what should I do with mine? Should I sell my XRP? Because I don't want mine to be hacked as well. This was a personal hack, which doesn't make it that much better, but it does in turn make it a little bit better because now it's not a system problem. It's more of a personal problem within his accounts and how those were hacked. So I'm not really stressing. I wasn't really stressing it then, and I didn't sell anything at all. I had 20.8 thousand, and I still have 20.8 thousand plus the amount that I have over on Margex. But if we look at XRP's price currently, where it stands, it is still at about 51 cents. It is slightly up on the day in the last 24 hours. It's up in the last hour by about 1%, but overall in the last 7 days, it's down by 0.8%. If we look at the overall market cap at a $27.6 billion overall market cap, volume still looking at $1 billion, around $1 billion. Would like to see it a lot higher. It is lower because of all of the negativity that we did see yesterday. We saw about $1.4 billion yesterday that was flowing through Bitcoin, through XRP. And if we look at the last 7 days, again, it's down by about 1%. The last month, it is down from that higher level of about 64 cents. So I want to see it get back to that point. But with all the negativity and, you know, the market not flowing in the right direction, it's understandable. Understand that Bitcoin, if we're looking at the bigger picture of everything, and what I see, Bitcoin is going to kind of maybe flatten out a little bit and kind of start a little bit of a downturn, not aggressively, but get to a double bottom, which could take XRP along with it. Now, I think the only thing we're really looking for here in a form of positivity is the end decision to this trial, the SEC versus Ripple, just to be able to see XRP kind of take off and just to be able to see some clarity on regulation overall. So ultimately, that's what I have for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the clarification with the fact that it was not an overall system hack. It was a personal hack. Does that make it better for you, or is that the same situation? Is it not any better for you? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my referral link for Margex, feel free to check out that link. That is down below as well. And I guess that's it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.